Yeah, good afternoon, students. Yesterday we did definite integrals, few long answers. Let us do one more. So that integration of 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x, that is equal to pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. We have to show this. Is it clear? Now, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx. This I am going to put it as equation 1. Then I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now the same property already I said. 0 to a f of x dx is 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Yesterday also I told you the same property. So it is pi by 2 minus x by sine of pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. Then 0 to pi by 2, it's pi by 2 minus x by sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. This I will put it as 2. Right? Now, add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. That is 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. It is x by sin x plus cos x plus pi by 2 minus x by sin x plus cos x dx. It's 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x plus pi by 2 minus x dx. Now x gets cancelled. Okay. Now 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. What we did in last board, this pi by 2 I will write it outside, right? So that is nothing but 2i is equal to write pi by 2 outside. Then integration of 1 by sin x plus cos x dx. Correct? Now this I am going to write it as 0 to pi by 2. I multiply and divide with root 2. Then 2i is equal to pi by 2 into, it's 0 to pi by 2, 1 by root 2 into, this is sin x cos pi by 4 plus cos x sin pi by 4. In order to get this, I multiplied and divided with root 2. Then 2i is equal to pi by 2, it's 0 to pi by 2, 1 by this root 2, I will write it outside, then it becomes 2 root 2. This root 2, I'm writing outside. And this sine of x plus pi by 4 dx. Now, 2i is equal to pi by 2 root 2, it's 0 to pi by 2. 1 by sine, it becomes what? Cosecant x plus pi by 4 dx. Now, what is integration of cosecant x? Log mod In formula I'm writing here, integration of cosecant x dx is log mod tan x by 2. Log mod, actually log mod cosecant x minus cot x. On simplification of that, you will get log mod tan x by 2. Okay. Now same formula I'm going to apply. That is 2i equal to pi by 2 root 2. It's 0 to pi by 2. Okay, don't need to write integration now. That is log of tan of x by 2. X in the sense pi by 4 by 2. What are your limits? 0 to pi by 2. That is 2i equal to pi 2 root 2. It's log of tan. Separate your 2 for both the numerators. That becomes x by 2 plus pi by 8. 0 to pi by 2. Now 2i equal to pi by 2 root 2. Now please apply your upper limit minus lower limit. That is log of tan of pi by 4 plus pi by 8. This becomes, instead of x I substituted pi by 2. Pi by 2 by 2 is pi by 4. Minus log of tan of 0 plus pi by 8. Because x is 0 now. X is 0, right? If x is 0, 0 plus pi by 8, what you will get it as. Okay. Now next step. That is pi 2 root 2 into log of pi by 4 plus pi by 8. 8 is your LCM. 8 is your LCM. Pi by 4 plus pi by 8. 4 1s are 4 2s. Yeah, 8 LCM. And what I get here? 2 pi plus pi. Right? Minus what is log of tan of 8 is your LCM. 2 pi. This is 3 pi by 8. Minus log of tan pi by 8. That is pi 2 root 2. Pi 2 root 2 into this is log m minus log n. That only we got now, log m minus log n, log m by n. That is nothing but 3 pi by log 3 pi by 8 by pi by 8. Okay, we do one thing. Pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8. Pi by 8 is how much? Pi by 8. Pi means 180 by 8, 3 pi by 8. That is 3 into that whole thing, it becomes pi by 8 is 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, right? Again 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40. So 22 and half into 3. Is it clear? That is 67 and a half it becomes. So overall, you do one thing. Overall, this part, pi by 4 plus pi by 8 I'm talking about, right? So pi by 4 means 45 degrees. This step we leave it. Let us leave this step here. Now write out here. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees plus pi by 8. Pi by 8 means 180 by 8, which is 22 and a half. So 45 plus tan of 45 plus 22.5 minus log of tan of 22.5 only, no? Log of 22.5. Now, this becomes tan of 45 plus 22, 67.5, correct? Minus log of tan 22.5. Now, tan 67.5, you should know this value. Is it clear? That is pi 2 root 2. It is log of, in your trigonometry basic first exercise only, 22.5, 67.5, all these values you will learn there. So this becomes root 2 plus 1 minus log of this becomes root 2 minus 1. So how this happening means tan 22.5, no? Just I will let you know. 22.5 means it is 45 by 2. Now tan theta by 2, which is in first quadrant. So under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is under root of 1 minus theta is 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 2. That is under root of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. If you do rationalization inside the root part, what you will get is root 2 plus 1 and root 2 minus 1. Is it clear? So this is what tan theta by 2. Same way tan 67.5. 67 into 2. It is 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12. Right? 124. 124. 67 into 2. 2 7s are 14. 1. 134 plus 1. It is 135 by 2. Is it clear? Tan 135, when you go cos 135 is cos 90 plus 45. That is minus sin 45. Minus 1 by root 2. This is how you are going to get these values. Is it clear? So here you are going to do rationalization. So please remember what is tan 67. Tan 67.5 is root 2 plus 1 and tan 22.5 is root 2 minus 1, so that you can get your answer easily. That is log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. That is pi by 2 root 2. It's log, again rationalize it. So this becomes root 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 minus 1. With opposite sign you do rationalization. Is it clear? That is nothing but, finish off here. That is 2i is equal to, this is all 2i, correct? So pi by 2 root 2 into 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Anyway, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. I is equal to pi 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. So I hope you understood up to here, right? Applying the formula, I got x by 2 plus pi by 8. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. That is 0 to pi by 2. After applying this, pi by 4 plus pi by 8 will give you 67.5. And this is 22.5. Tan 22.5 means tan theta by 2. That is under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. No need to derive. So tan 22.5 is root 2 minus 1 and tan 67.5 is root 2 plus 1. So this is how you are going to get this answer. Is it clear? Some areas problems are also there in 7 mark, but nowadays is not giving, most of the time is giving these questions only, but any area sums are given. Okay, see those who are writing improvement, you do everything to improve your marks, but those who are supplementary, those who are failed and want to pass, my advice is 2 circles, 1 parabola, 2 integrations. But in this one, you do everything, almost all whatever I taught or whatever the important questions you're having with you, you do everything, don't leave anything. Okay, right. So area sums now I am not going to put. Let it be areas there itself, because now those who are not getting, you won't get it now. So your long answer should be these things only. Instead of that, you can go for differential equations. Is it clear? Let us see few differential equations, long answers. So these are the, previous chapter definite integrals. Those were important long answers other than areas, right? Areas also one or two are there, but that ellipse, area of ellipse, or area of two parabolas, but it's very difficult. So what I'm suggesting is those who failed or got very bordered marks, just passed, better concentrate on these chapters for 7 marks instead of running behind all the long answers. Is it clear? Mostly the 7 mark here will be homogeneous or non-homogeneous. If at all you get non-homogeneous, then again that is very difficult. That goes very lengthy and you won't get your calculation part. So what I'm suggesting you is, you do one thing. In differential equations, 7 mark homogeneous will do, and 4 marks will do. 4 mark mostly the question will be asked from linear form. See, in 2B, we can't guess exactly say what is going to get it. Okay, it's giving nowadays some different kind of questions. That's why circles, parabola, indefinite, you do most of the sums, don't leave anything. Then whatever he gives, definitely you can do it. But here circles only 3-4 questions, there 3-4, there 3-4. Doing all the chapters, I don't think so. There is no point in that. Okay. Let us see one homogeneous. Solve dy by dx is equal to, solve dy by dx means it is given like this. Solve x square plus y square dx is equal to 2xy dy. Solve x square plus y square dx is equal to 2xy dy. Whatever the differential form is given, differential equation form is given, always you are going to write in the form of dy by dx as subject. So dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square equal to 2xy. What is the degree here? Here the degree is 2. Here the degree is also 2. Xy term degree is also 2. So whenever I'm having each and every term degree is 2, whenever I'm having each and every term degree is not only 2, each and every term degree is equal. Means if I'm having 3, each and every term degree power should be 3. Then we say that it is a homogeneous equation. So here it is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. Whenever it is a homogeneous equation, put y is equal to vx. This is a fixed approach, right? So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx. V as it is, x derivative is 1, x as it is, dv by dx. Now dy by dx and everything you replace here. I'm doing here itself. Dy by dx, I'm going to replace v plus x, v plus x, dv by dx, v plus x, dv by dx. That is equal to x square is your x square itself. Y square means x square y square. That is x square v square, because y is vx, no? So this is also 2x square v. What I get is, so vx dv by dx is equal to x square common 1 plus v square by 2x square v. Your x square gets cancelled. V plus x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 2v. See, students, when you reach up to this point, you make it sure that there is no x left out here. Is it clear? There should not be no x. When you reach on simplifying, put y is equal to vx. Okay. Now, next step, x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. You bring it to that side. Then x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square minus 2v square by 2v. 1 plus v square minus 2v square by 2v. Okay. What I'm going to get here? 1 minus v square by 2v. So x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. Not only no, x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. Now variables are separated. Variables are separated means what? All v variables to one side of dv and all x variables to one side with dx. Is it clear? So that is 2v by 1 minus v square dv, and this is 1 by x dx. Now integrate on both sides. 2v by 1 minus v square dv equal to 1 by x dx. Now the derivative of denominator is present in numerator with minus is not there. Minus log of 1 minus v square. Here it is log x. Whenever everything you get in terms of log, constant also you take it as log c. Constant also you take it as log c. So minus log 1 minus v square, I will write it as whole inverse. This minus is there, no? This minus I wrote inverse of log. And log m plus log n. Log mn. Now log gets cancelled. 1 minus v square whole inverse is 1 by 1 minus v square. xc. 1 by 1 minus. But what is? See, y is equal to vx, no? And v is equal to what? Yx. So that is y square by x square equal to xc. Take LCM. X square by x square minus y square equal to xc. 1x gets cancelled. 1x gets cancelled. Then x equal x by x square minus y square equal to c. Means x equal to c into x square minus y square. This is your answer. Is it clear? So most important homogeneous. Is it clear? Most important homogeneous sum for 7 mark I'm talking about. X equal to c into x square minus y square. This is your general solution. Mostly is asking homogeneous only. Let us do one more. dy by dx equal to x square plus y square. Solve. X square plus y square by 2x square. Directly it is given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square dy by dx equal to x square plus y square by x square. Every homogeneous I'm not going to do, but two sums I did, which were asked in exam also, and this should be the procedure. Is it clear? Same. It is given in the form of dy by dx only directly. So it is It is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 again. Means put y is equal to Vx. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to v plus product rule you are applying, right? V into x. V as it is, x derivative is 1. And x as it is, dv by dx. Now, v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus y is nothing but vx. V square x square by 2x square. What is y? You replace it. Y is nothing but v square x square. Y is nothing but vx. Now, v plus x dv by dx, that is equal to x square common 1 plus v square by 2x square. X square gets cancelled. Means v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 2. 1 plus v square by 2. That is x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 2 minus v. X dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square minus 2v by 2. Now variables are separated. Variables separable method. Variables are separable means you can separate your variables. I mean all x variables to one side and all v variables to one side. Is it clear? When I do that, what I get? 2 dv by 1 plus v square minus 2v is equal to 1 by x dx. Again, integrate on both sides. Write it outside. This becomes v minus 1 whole square dv. Integration of 1 by x dx. Integration of 2 into 1 by v minus 1 whole square dv is equal to integration of 1 by x dx. Now 2 into v minus 1 whole power minus 2 integration of 1 by x dx. So 2 into v minus 1 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Ax plus b whole power n. Ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into this. Okay. V minus 1 whole power minus 2 by minus 2. That is equal to log x plus c is enough. Right? So minus 2 means what I'm going to get here? Minus 2 by v minus 1. Bring it to denominator. What is left out here? 2 into v minus 1 whole power minus 1 by minus 1 equal to log x plus c. Right? That is minus 2 by v minus 1 equal to log x plus c. Minus 2 by, this is y by x minus 1. Log x plus c. Take LCM, 2x by y minus x. Log x plus c, that is 2x by x minus y. And 2x equal to x minus y into log x plus c is your final answer. Is it clear? Yeah, I will do one non-homogeneous also. Only one I will do, right? And that is the same procedure for all other non-homogeneous. Is it clear? Yeah, it goes very lengthy. Let us do one non-homogeneous. He won't say it is non-homogeneous. You are going to recognize. Solve the differential equation. What is that? Dy by dx is equal to 3y minus 7x plus 7 divided by 3x minus 7y minus 3. Here, definitely a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Right? a1 by a2 is minus 7 by 3. What is that here? Minus 7 by 3 is not equal to 3 by minus 7. So definitely it is a non-homogeneous. Okay. For that, what I am going to do? So it is a non-homogeneous. And moreover, it is having constants also, no? So definitely it is not a homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Now, put small x equal to capital X plus h. Small y equal to capital Y plus k. That implies dx is equal to dx, dy equal to dy. Means your dy by dx equal to d capital Y by d capital X. This is what we get. Now replace everything. See, d cap. So d capital Y by dx, that is equal to 3 into y. Y is nothing but capital Y plus k minus 7 into capital X plus h, capital X plus h plus 7. It is divided by 3 into capital X plus h minus 7 into y plus k minus 3. That I am going to get it as 3y plus 3k minus 7x minus 7h plus 7. Open the brackets. 3x plus 3h minus 7y minus 6 minus 3. On rearranging, 3y minus 7x plus 3k minus 7h plus 7. It is divided by 3x minus 7y plus 3h minus 7k minus 3. This is your dy by dx. Now put 3k minus 7h plus 7 equal to 0 and 3h minus 7k minus 3 equal to 0. This you will put it as 1. This you will put it as 2. Solve 1 and 2 to get h and k. Solve 1 and 2. Why we are keeping this equal to 0? If this becomes 0, if this part becomes 0 and if this part becomes 0, automatically this will convert into homogeneous. Once it is converted to homogeneous, again the same procedure. What we did in previous two sums for homogeneous. Now let us solve 1 and 2 here. H K1, that is 3 minus 3 minus 7 3 minus 7 7 3 minus 7. That is h by 21 minus 21 equal to k by minus 9 plus 49. This is 1 by 49 minus 9. So h by 0 equal to k by 40 equal to 1 by 40. So luckily you are getting a h0, k by 40 equal to 1 by 40. So h0, k equal to 1. I got h0 and k equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, since I made these two as zeros, here I said, so what is this dy by dx? Now it becomes here dy by dx. Now it becomes 3y minus 7x by 3x minus 7y. Now it is a homogeneous equation. Same. Put y is equal to vx, then v is equal to y by x, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx, same thing. Now replace everything there. So v plus x dv by dx equal to 3vx minus 7x by 3x minus 3vx. So v plus x dv by dx equal to x common 3v minus 7. X common 3 minus 7v. Your x and x gets cancelled. V plus x dv by dx. What are left out? You write down 3v minus 7 by 3 minus 7v. Now x dv by dx, that is equal to 3v minus 7, 3 minus 7v minus v. Then x dv by dx equal to 3v minus 7 minus 3v plus 7v square divided by 3 minus 7v. This is what you are going to get it there. Okay. So 3v minus 7 minus 3v plus 7v square by 3 minus 7v. So that is x dv by dx equal to 3v gets cancelled. So I'm going to take 7 common. V square minus 1 by 3 minus 7v. Again, variables are separated. Variables are separated. Now, when you separate your variables, what you get? 3 minus 7v comes to numerator. 7 common v square minus 1. 7 common v square minus 1 dv is equal to 1 by x dx. 3 minus 7by 7 common v square minus 1 dv equal to 1 by x dx. Integrate on both sides. P minus 7by integration of 1 by x dx. Still it's not over, right? After doing integration and all this stuff, again you have to go back substituting what is v, capital Y by x, and what is capital Y, small x minus h, small y minus k, right? So this 1 by 7, write it outside. 3 by v square p by 3 by v square minus 1 minus 7by v square minus 1 dv. Now separate your integration simultaneously 1 by 7 also. So what I read, that is equal to integration of 1 by x dx. Right. Now what I'm going to get? 1 by 7, 3 also outside. 1 by v square minus 1 dv. Minus 7 gets cancelled. 1 by v square minus 1 dv. And that is equal to 1 by x dx. Now this integration. Three by 7 as it is. 1 by 2a. Okay. So take minus common. Then this becomes integration of 1 by 1 minus v square dv. Minus 1 by v square minus 1 dv. Integration of 1 by x dx. Now minus 3 by 7, 1 by 2a log of 1 plus p by a plus x by a minus x. A plus x by a minus x. Is it clear? And this is here, sorry, V is there now. One V is there. V is there here. V is there. Now multiply and divide with 2. Then log of V square minus 1 it becomes. Is equal to this is log X plus log C. Because everything we got in terms of log, no? So here, take 1 by 2 common and bring it to that side. So minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7. Let us see. Log of 1 plus V by 1 minus V minus log of V square minus 1. Log M plus log N is log Mn. So 2 log XC it becomes right now. Now 7 also you take LCM and bring it to that side. Minus 3 log of 1 plus V by 1 minus V minus 7 log of V square minus 1. 7 2s are 14 log XC. Okay. Next. Yeah, simplification is very much headache. So you should be careful. Huh? Now log of V plus 1 by V minus 1 whole power minus 3. And this becomes V plus 1 whole power 7 and V minus 1 whole power 7. I kept everything in under one log. Log M plus log N, log M minus N, right? Is equal to bring that minus 14 to this side, log XC. Still, it's log of whatever it gets cancelled, you cancel it. V plus 1 whole power 10, V minus 1 whole power 11 modulus plus log X power 14, C power 14 means let it be C equal to 0. Is it clear? Now that is log M plus log N. Log of V plus 1 whole to the power, that is 2 log of 5 and V minus 1 whole square. 1 2 and 1 2. 5 2s are 10, no? So whole power 2 you write. That 2 you bring it as coefficient of log. Plus here also 2 log X power 7 C power 7 equal to 0. This 14 comes for this also, no? Right. Now 2 gets cancelled. And log of V plus 1 whole power 5, V minus 1 whole square, C square X power 7. Complete log. Product, no? That is Y by X plus 1 whole power 5, Y by X minus 1 whole square, C square X power 7 equal to 0. That is Y plus X whole power 5 by X power 5. And Y minus X whole square by X square. C square X power 7 equal to 0. So X power 7, X square and X power 5 gets cancelled. Now, capital X is what? Small x minus 0. Capital Y is what? Small y minus 1. Now replace it. So y minus 1 plus x whole power 5. And y minus 1 minus x whole square. C power 7 equal to 1. When I remove log, what I get? Log this side, right? It becomes 1. That is nothing but your complete answer is y minus 1x whole power 5, y minus 1 whole square, 1 by c power 7. You take it as one more constant, 1 by k. This is what we call it as a non-homogeneous equation. What I suggest, again I am telling you, in final exam, 2 circles, 1 parabola, and 2 indefinite integrations. That is much helpful. So this Homogeneous, if at all it is given, no. It's very tough, very lengthy also. Let us see short answer from differential equation. Is it clear? Easy short answer. Mostly the question will be asked from linear only. Okay. Let me check one linear so that you will also understand. It compulsory need not be linear, but mostly it will be linear or sometimes variable separable, depends on, we can't guess what is happening there, right? What is linear form of a differential equation? Linear form of differential equation. The linear form of a differential equation is, see here, dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, y power. Now this compulsory, it should be in this. Then you are going to find integrating factor, e to the power p of x dx. Then your solution will be y into integrating factor q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Integrating factor. Is it clear? So that you can do easily integration. Okay. This is other form is what? Suppose if it is not in that form, then dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. Then your integrating factor e to the power p of y dy. Then solution will be x into integrating factor is equal to q of y integrating factor dy plus c. So this should be a two methods in linear form. Is it clear? Okay. So this linear form, tomorrow we'll do 4 mark, and homogeneous already I taught to. It will be the same approach for other sums also. You do more and more practice, but what I'm suggesting you, 2 circles, 1 parabola, 2 integrations. This is fixed. Do more questions from this only, so that some unexpected question comes also, still you should be able to do it. That should be the plan. Is it clear? Okay. So after this differential equations, almost all your 2B will be done. Okay. Like circles is done, system of circles over, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, 4 marks has been done, right? Definite, indefinite, and differential equations also is fine. We'll do more number of questions, right? So maybe within 2-3 days, most of the questions which are exam point of view, which are important, has been done, and we'll continue tomorrow. Is it clear?